If I lost everything today, my charts, my accounts, my tools, here's exactly how I'll rebuild as a trader in 2025. After more than a decade in the markets, I've learned something most traders don't figure out until it's too late. Success isn't just about the perfect entry. It's about building the right trader. So seriously, I wouldn't touch price or candles or any other strategy. I'll start with this one question. Can I stay emotionally stable while being wrong? Because that's the actual job. Trading isn't about being right. It's about being resilient. And I wish someone had told me that earlier. Back when I started in 2008, I thought edge came from tools, indicators, systems, fancy setups. More stuff equals more success, right? Wrong. More stuff just means more confusion. If I had to start over, I'll clear the table, wipe it clean, and I'll start with mindset. Not motivational quotes. I'm talking about serious mental conditioning. How I would process losses, how I would stay calm in chaos, and how I would think when trades goes against me. Because the way you think is your trading system. This part is going to save you years. I wouldn't binge watch 50 YouTube strategy videos. I wouldn't hop onto every Telegram signal group. And I definitely wouldn't chase people showing off Lambos or watches or money and their lifestyle. That stuff is all noise. It looks like inspiration, but it's really distraction. Instead, I'll find one or two real mentors. Not perfect traders, but people who would make me think clearer. People who would explain the why, not just the how. And here's something I didn't realize when I was starting out. It's not about how much your mentor makes. It's about how well they help you understand yourself. A good mentor doesn't just teach setups. They teach you how to troubleshoot, how to recognize your blind spots, how to align your strategy with your psychology. They help you to spot the difference between impatience and intuition, between FOMO and conviction. That's the real value. Not copying trades, but rewiring how you see the game. There is no rush. I'll open a trading view chart, a free plan, nothing fancy. Pick one pair, maybe the euro dollar, and I'll study that pair like it's my business partner. I'll look at the charts in detail, mark them up, track the highs, the lows, the breaks, and the retests. And here's the aha moment. When you mark the charts up bit by bit, pip by pip, candle by candle, you'll start to see things that others might miss. Here's how you build pattern recognition. And that's the one thing no one can ever take away from you. I would also keep a journal, not just a list of trades, but a breakdown of thoughts, emotions, and hesitations. Because trading is less about setups, but more about self awareness. So I would test one strategy, not five, not three, just one. Forget trying to master everything. Pick a style that suits your personality. If you're impatient, maybe scalping the news. If you like to analyze in detail, maybe swing structure. But here's the key. Whatever you pick, go deep. Run 50 demo trades. Same pair, same setup, same rules. Track every result. But more importantly, track your decisions. You'll learn faster by reviewing your trades than watching any other video. And only after those 50 or maybe even 100 trades, once I've proven that I can stay consistent, then I would trade with real money. Because if you can't follow your rules with fake money, you definitely won't follow your rules with real money. So I'll start small. I'll start really small. Forget needing $10,000 to start trading. I'll start maybe with 1,000 or a small prop firm challenge. Not to make it, so to say, but to put myself under just enough pressure to stay sharp. And here's something I wish I realized a lot earlier. Capital follows confidence, not the other way around. Most traders are trying to get funded before they're ready. I would flip that around. I would get ready first, then scale. Because a small account with skills grows a lot faster than a big account with bad habits. Remember, indicators can help, tools can help, but in 2025, the age is you. It's how you behave when you lose 3 trades in a row. It's what you do when your setup is almost there, but not quite. It's whether you can stay focused when your emotions want revenge. Every trader wants consistency, but consistency is a byproduct of self-control. The edge isn't some secret strategy. It's your ability to do the boring things with precision, day after day after day. If I had to start all over today, I would build that version of myself first. The disciplined version, the focused version, the version that can trade without needing to force it. Because once you become that trader, everything else becomes super simple. And here's the quiet truth that most people won't say out loud. Once you've built real skill, coming back is never a question of if, it's just a matter of when. You could lose the platform, you could lose the capital, you could even lose momentum. But if the mindset and method are real, you rebuild every time. And that's just what separates noise from substance. That's the part that you can't fake. So if this short video has given you clarity, if it helped you zoom out and finally see the game for what it is, then don't just click away. Leave a comment. Tell me what you're changing starting today. Because the moment you write it down, you start owning it. And if you're tired of trading content that's all noise and no depth, click that subscribe button. This channel isn't about hype. It's about helping real traders build real skills, step by step by step. So if you're ready to level up, I'll see you in the next one.